Sometimes we encounter a screw or bolt that is difficult to break free. I will show you how this impact driver might just get you out of a bind and save your fastener from being damaged. So I am working on this sewing machine. It has been sitting around for a while, and sometimes these screws, especially some of these big ones, just get to where they're just seized up and they don't want to break loose. And you know, you kind of run the risk of, when you're really hogging on there, your screwdriver popping off there, and then you kind of mar up the screw head and jack it up, and you don't want that. I got an impact driver. They're pretty cheap and pretty neat. This one's a Craftsman, and it says right on here which way to turn it to tighten and loosen, and they come with a few different tips. So I need a straight one, and it can be used with sockets. So right on here it tells me if I want to loosen, that the direction is this way. Another way to remember it is basically you get it on there, and you just, if you're trying to loosen something, you just know you're going to turn it that way, and so go ahead and do that. This has some movement in it, so it can turn this way or that way. So basically you turn it in the direction that you want the screw to move. So you turn it in the direction you want your screw to go, you line it up, and right now I'm applying pressure in that direction and pushing it in to the screw. Then this delivers the impact of an impact driver. So here we go. Alright, now it's broke loose. So these things are pretty good. You know, if you get caught in a bind, it doesn't take a lot of effort, and it saves your screw. So this screw now, it hasn't been slipped or anything. Maybe a helpful tip. If you enjoyed that, give me a thumbs up, and maybe you would like to become a subscriber. Thanks a lot for watching.